Good afternoon, it's everyone. Yesterday, August 18, 2025, I received an email from YouTube team that our channel have an issue. Yes, I admit, I made a mistake. Being a security guard is not easy for me to create video, especially 12 hours duty every day. What comes into our mind, I saw a video from other content creator on Facebook. I download it and re-upload to my YouTube channel so that I have an issue. I apologize to give me more another chance to back my YouTube channel monetize. I will not do it again. I will follow all community guidelines. Thank you and God bless.